What's going on, everybody? It's Lewis of the Way It Kicks channel, back again with another unboxing for you. And yeah, if you see me, I'm wearing the same fit as I did earlier today for the Miami Hurricane 5 video that I dropped. So if you guys are checking that video out and you're seeing this one here, now that's why I got the same fit on, because I did both videos on the same day. In any case, here for the first time on the channel, look what it is. I have a Nike SB. And let me tell you guys something right now. You will be seeing more SBs here on the Way It Kicks channel. I've just been on a tear lately when it comes to getting SB Dunk shoes. But the label on here reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Premium Amber Brown Guava Ice. And I got these from the Underground Skate Shop. Didn't want to get a size 5. But yeah, my auto cart was malfunctioning and I checked that on a size 5. They won't even fit my girl either, so you know, it is what it is. But we're gonna take a look at the Trocadero SBs. And these things right here, man, oh, these are beautiful. Now, I actually do have a men's pair coming in my size, and I'll probably do another review for them and be able to bring you the on-feet look. But I wanted you guys to go ahead and take a look at this sneaker right here. And let me tell you something right now, these are absolutely beautiful. Man, the material on here, there's like some type of, I don't even know how to describe it, but there's some type of like sheen that if you hold it a certain way to the light, there's like a type of glare in the material that I think just looks really nice. And I want to get this close there, and I think it is starting to come up on my camera. You guys can see there on the swoosh, you can see around the mud guard, there's like some type of like, you know, deeper white or something like that that's on there, and I just think it makes the shoe look absolutely beautiful. I love the way these came out. Now, all these pairs of dunks, you got to understand, right? These City of dunks that have been dropping, they're all about the Olympics, because you got to remember, skateboarding is an Olympic event now. So a lot of these, you know, City of Love, the Live, Love, Laughs, and all those sneakers that have been dropping, those SB dunks have been dropping, they're all about the anticipating the Olympics that are going to be happening this year in Paris, France. In any case, let's just go over some of the shoe here. Now, you obviously have your traditionally thick SB Dunk tongue there, which, you know, this was actually the reason why I didn't necessarily like SB Dunks, was because of the tongue. But what happened was I actually found an SB Dunk that I liked, and basically that's where everything kicked off. Matter of fact, let me just grab that shoe real quick. Okay, real quick. These are the City of Style SBs, or the Live, Love, Laugh SBs, and you can see this kind of French type pastel fabric that's all over the shoe here. I mean, I saw these and I fell in love. Now, I'm not going to be distressing my shoe, you know, because under here, if you guys have seen this sneaker before, you know you can rip up some of the fabric there and it will reveal some red fabric under it. I'm not going to do that. I want to leave mine just the way they are. I think they look oh so great in this condition. But this here was a shoe that, for whatever reason, it caught my eye. And once I had them, like, my world just kind of opened up. It was just like, it's like the heavens opened up, and now, like, I'm on an SB tear. I've got quite a few SB dunks still to come in, and a few that I already have here in hand. But we're getting back to these right here, these Trocaderos. And man, let me tell you, I love the way these came out. This kind of burnished kind of orange color and this creamsicle pink, and I'm not sure how I would describe the white there around the mud guard. Now, the feel of the material, it feels like it could be a nubuck, not a Doorbuck, like a nubuck or kind of a suede, and then they put like this kind of glaze over it, which I think they did that because obviously, you know, you need the materials to be a certain way in order to skate in them. For my skateboarders out there, let me know if I'm on the right track with that. I tried to do some research and watch some other videos, and nothing was actually concrete when it came to what they were doing with the materials, but that's pretty much where I'm going with things. Here, if you take a look at the Nike in the back tab, it's actually stamped in there. It's not, you know, a lot of times I see Nike is stitched in the back of some of the SB Dunks there, but You do have, I was talking about the tongue earlier, you do have SB there on the tongue itself, and then you see the laces. Does come with an extra set of laces, which I'm not sure if I'm going to throw that in. It might be too much of that pink kind of guava there, you know what I mean? I mean, I like the color, but not overly saturated here on the shoe. But for those of you who get these and you want to go ahead with those laces, I mean, more power to you. Taking a look here at the inside of the sock liner, you see it's burnt orange, and one of my favorite features, if you look there at the back of the heel, the way that sticks out, that's to help lock your foot there inside of the shoe. For those of you who've never had SBs before, that's what that's for. And then the thickness of that tongue, once again, I'm talking about it again, that's also to help protect that area in your foot where, you know, it flexes, you know, from the board, like hitting it. Also here on the insole foot pads, you can see they got Nike SB, and there's like somewhat of a design down there on that as well. I mean, and then the other thing that I really love about this shoe is the outsole. Now you can see kind of this sailish kind of gray colorway here, but then when you take a look at the outsole itself, it has somewhat of like a Neapolitan kind of swirl color to it, and then obviously it says SB there in the middle in pink. And man, I just think this is an absolutely beautiful shoe. These are not going to be an easy cut whatsoever, because right now they're popping up sporadically at different skate shops, and you really got to do first come first serve because the stock has been extremely limited. But I expect the stock online to pick up at some point. But you know, resale prices are starting to creep up towards that $200 mark, especially in the bigger sizes. Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys are thinking about this shoe. How do you all feel about SBs? Are you happy now? I'm seeing the light and going to be bringing SB Dunks here to the channel. Let me know. Please smash the like button for me as well, guys. And if you're new to my channel, thanks for tapping in. Hit that subscriber button and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. This is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.